Well, hello music lovers. I'm Bud from Strum Supply. Our channel's here to share tips, techniques, and tools to help you improve your skills and have more fun when you're making music. Today I want to do a very basic session on how to tune your guitar. The principles apply the same whether you're doing your guitar, ukulele, banjo, mandolin, violin, right? But I'm going to focus on the guitar today. Maybe sometime in the future I'll do one with the ukulele as well. So of course the guitar has 6 strings, and one of the things that's important is to tune your guitar you need to know what note each string should be. And there are lots of ways people remember E, A, D, G, B, E. Actually, one of my favorites is elephants and dogs grow big ears. There are so many references. So get out there, look for something that works for you. I have to say as well, there are a lot of good videos on YouTube with people giving you 10, 15 minutes of instruction on how to tune your guitar. This is going to be much shorter. I'm going to be brief and try and cover just the highlights. So the first thing you need to know is how the strings relate to your tuners. So it's first string, second string, third string, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now, on my guitar, and this is pretty standard, that if you turn the tuner, if you were looking at the head of the tuner and you turn it counterclockwise, that raises the pitch. If you turn it clockwise, it lowers the pitch. And I encourage you to always tune up to ideal pitch. That's going to help your guitar stay in tune better. Let's not go into why. So in this case, I dropped my pitch down. I'm bringing it up. It turns green, and I'm satisfied. So that's all there is to it. Now you repeat that process on all 6 strings. That one happens to be tuned perfectly. I'm done. So here's an example of how this particular tuner works. You'll notice, first of all, in the upper left that it says 440. That's the reference pitch. That's A above middle C. That is the universal reference tone for tuning. This particular tuner allows you to use different reference tones, and that's okay. You can see it's picking up my voice, probably resonating off the guitar a little bit, and that's causing the tuner to light up. You also notice in the lower right, this particular tuner says guitar. This tuner, you can switch between modes that help you as you're tuning a guitar, a bass, a ukulele, and in particular what it does, notice the 1 in front of the E, so that is the first string. And so that just helps you to know, if you don't memorize the notes, it helps you to know that you are on the right note for that string. And you can see that consistently what happens is as you play the note, it will display, and when it's resonating green, that means you've got that particular string tuned properly and you're ready to start playing music. Thanks for dropping into our channel. I hope that was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, give us a like, and better yet, subscribe. And come back, because we do intend to post new information every week that will help you with tips, techniques, and tools to improve your skills and have more fun making music.